Today we're going to be using a 60 LED per meter kit and a 15 watt power supply. The only tools really that you're going to need to do this is something to strip the wire with, so wire strippers are good, a small flathead screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. Let's get to it. These are the cabinets that we're going to be installing the lighting on, and there's a little bit of a jog here, so we're going to end up using 3 separate strips of lights that'll all be connected with a connector cable so that we don't have to worry about bending the lighting strip and possibly ruining it. We've gone ahead and removed the valances so that the installation is a little easier. The first step is to mount the power supply. In this case, we have an outlet very close to where we're going to start our run, so that is where we're going to place it. The included mounting screws make it easy to install. The next step is to measure out the lighting to make sure that you cut it at the right spot. Cutting the tape can be done with a set of ordinary home scissors. Just ensure that you cut along the line indicated on the tape. Next, we're going to connect the 3 individual tape sections with the wire lead connectors. A kit comes with a single connector, but if you need more, you can purchase them separately. Simply slide the tape into the connector until the 2 metal clips touch the copper section, then close the cover. The kit comes with a fairly long lead to accommodate different mounting scenarios, but we don't need all of this wire, so we're just going to trim this back a bit. Simply cut the wire to length, then expose the bare copper and twist the strands to keep them all together. At this point, you can attach any dimmers that you want to install into the system. Also, if you're installing an RGB kit, this is the point at which you would install the color controller. Attaching the tape is easy. Simply peel off the backing and press it into place. All that's left in this installation is to install the valances. Simple to install, the Ribbon Flex Pro LED taped lighting kits are a great way to add lighting anywhere in your home.